Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Create a Python 3.8+ virtual environment and install Coqui Tts with pip so dependencies stay clean. Once done, acquire a pre-trained TTS model. This gives you quality and speed without training. Next, prepare a short test sentence to verify audio output immediately. You do this because early verification avoids long debug loops. A working model confirms installation, correct paths, and audio backend before you progress to model configuration and synthesis. Now configure and run inference. Load the TTS model using the library API or CLI, pointing to the model path or its identifier. Make sure to select a vocoder and enable GPU if available, because this materially improves speed and voice naturalness. Set sample rate, speaker ID, and speaking rate so output matches your target. Then run a single synthesis call to produce WAV or MP3. Once you verify the audio, scale to batch generation or integrate the call into your app for real-time output. To finish, export and validate your audio files. Choose WAV for raw quality or MP3 for size, normalize levels, and embed metadata so files are traceable. If performance matters, optimize by enabling FP16 or model quantization to reduce memory and increase throughput. This trades some fidelity for speed. If something goes wrong, focus on 3 likely causes: wrong model path, cue-to-driver mismatch, or sample rate inconsistencies. Check logs, rerun a minimal test, and adjust configuration until synthesis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.